In the SayMore for Basic Oral Language Documentation series, you will learn about the basic oral language documentation method and how to use SayMore to create oral annotations. In this video, you will learn how to enter written transcriptions and translations in SayMore to accompany the oral annotation recordings. To follow along with this video, you should have already created a new SayMore project, opened an audio file, segmented it, and recorded oral annotations as shown in parts 2 through 4 of this video series. Once you have recorded some oral translations and careful speech, you can play these recordings back to aid in entering written transcriptions and translations. To enter a transcription, click into the first space below the transcription column. SayMore will play the original recording segment on a loop.
Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs. Once upon a time.
Only the original recording is played by default, but you can change this to the careful speech recording, or both the original and careful speech, by clicking on the Options menu next to the transcription, then selecting the desired option. Enter the transcription by typing into the space.
Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs.
To enter a translation, click into the first space below the Free Translation column. SayMore will play back the oral translation on a loop.
Érase una vez 3 cerditos.
You can change which recordings are played by clicking on the Options menu to the right of the words Free Translation. Enter the translation by typing into the space.
Érase una vez 3 cerditos. Érase una vez 3 cerditos.
SayMore saves your work automatically each time you move from one field to another. In part 6 of this video series, you will learn how to back up and archive files created in SayMore.